Hello everyone, welcome. Good morning. In this video, I'm just gonna show you my morning routine as an unemployed human. So you guys see, like I'm just trying to wake up. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, it takes me a while to get out of bed. I mean, that's just me, whether I work or not work. I like my late nights. I like going to bed really late, and lately, obviously, because I have no commitment, I do stay away until maybe 3, even sometimes 4 a.m. But you know how it is. Yeah, so right after that I try to do my bed. Well, I always do my bed. This is just me airing out my bed before I actually do my bed. So I'll just make sure the covers are over so I can let air out. And yeah, this is me just still like wandering around because I'm still not awake. And for some reason, it's still cold outside and it's May. Anyone else? Like, I feel like what like where's the heat? Like, where's the nice weather? Is really weird. Anyways, after that I just go ahead and go and brush my teeth, and I will wash my face too. I will take a shower if a shower is needed. I'm a night shower, if you guys are wondering, if you guys are interested. I usually take my showers at night because I don't know, it just makes me more comfortable when I go to bed after. Right after that, I do finally actually make the bed. So after my bed is aired out, I will finish making my bed. So I'll just make sure the covers are well adjusted to my bed and everything is nice. And yes, I do sleep with my laptop next to me, but I know it's not really good, but honestly, I just need it. It's like a comfort for me at this point. Yeah, so here I'm just finishing up doing my bed, and after I do get dressed. I try to get dressed every day. I do get dressed 95% of the time, but there's always like these days, where the mood is a bit on a down low. So I'm really basic when it comes to getting dressed. I mean, I have nowhere to go, so it mostly consists of just putting on leggings and a crew neck almost all the time. And after that, I will just do a little bit of TLC. I'll do my hair and a little bit of skincare. Um, yeah, so I'll just like brush my hair. You guys know I wear extensions because it's just easier for me to maintain. That's mostly why I wear extensions or my wig. Right now, I still have my sew-in. It's still the same hair that I did my review on. By the way, I did take them off and put them back in, if you guys are wondering, and I still love them. They're still really nice. Yeah, so this is me just brushing my hair, making sure that I look decent. As you can see, I don't rush anything. I mean, like I said, I have nowhere to go, but I still try to not rush in the morning because it does, I don't know, it just makes me more anxious, and I'm an anxious person. I know it might seem basic, but I don't know, I just don't rush because I feel like in the morning, if am in a shitty mood or anything, I feel like then the whole day I'll be in a shitty mood. So I try to make sure that my mood stays nice in the morning. Anyways, here I'm just doing some skincare. I'm still using the Toleriane Riche cream. I don't feel like it's breaking me out because I don't feel like my skin doesn't need it anymore because your girl almost has no eczema on her face anymore. So yeah, it's pretty much regulated. Obviously, sometimes it does come back because it's eczema, but for the most part my eczema is gone. So I feel like maybe the cream might be too harsh, and maybe that's why I have so many pimples and so many dark spots. I don't know. Anyways, this is me just getting dressed because I did decide to go for a walk that day. This is just me getting dressed. I always wear this sweater, you guys probably seen it like all the time because it's so nice and it's so warm and it's not bulky. And yeah, so I just decided to go for a walk, and here I'm just getting ready. I'm taking my purse, and yes, always go out with your purse, with your ID, with a little bit of money, and always never forget your phone because you never know what might happen. Okay, this is just like security, me telling you, like, just do it. Okay. And yeah, so just me getting about to go out to go for my walk. This is the whole outfit. If you guys were wondering what I'm wearing, it's pretty basic, like all the time. And this is just me putting on my shoes. And obviously I always have to make sure the neighbors are not around because they do like to talk, and I'm sorry, but I'm not a talker. So yeah, I just always make sure they're not around. And yeah, it was such a nice day that day. Like I said, it's just still a little bit chilly, but for the most part, such a nice day. So after my walk, I just come back home, and usually it's time for me to eat. And yeah, today I was famished. I was really, really hungry. So I did make myself some breakfast, and I had 3 eggs and a sausage, like a egg sandwich. And I do watch a bit of YouTube. I just a little disclaimer, I try to stay off social media also in the morning, because I don't know, I just feel like it switches my mood a lot also. And yeah, for me, YouTube is not really social media because I get to choose what I watch, so I know what I'm watching. It's not just shoved into my face and like I have to deal with it. So that's why I do stay on YouTube for long hours sometimes. And yeah, this day I was just watching a bit of Plenty. If you guys don't know her, she's really nice, really cozy. If you're looking for a new YouTuber to watch, she's Korean, and I really love her content. Before I finish this video, I just want to say a little disclaimer that this is me showing you what can be done in the morning. I don't always go on walks. I don't always do my makeup. Sometimes I don't even get dressed, honestly. But I always keep it at a minimum because, like I said, my morning dictates how the rest of my day is going to be. So this is just me showing you how I do my makeup. Honestly, this day I don't know, I just wanted like almost like a full coverage makeup. Sometimes I do less, sometimes I do more. Like I said, I don't do my makeup every day, but that day obviously I wanted to show you some content, and I wanted to show you how, if I did my makeup, how it was gonna look. And yeah, this is me just doing my makeup. I'm gonna stop talking here. I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Let me know down below if you have any questions. Comment down below. Don't forget to like if you like the video, and I will see you next time, guys. Bye.